Fair-face, Tuesday's child is full of grace. Wednesday's child achieve fame and glory. Thursday's child full of success stories. Friday's child is loving and giving. Saturday's child is kind and forgiving. And Sunday's child is warm and embracing. I was born on a Sunday. I'm warm and embracing. Yes, and also si Baby was Thursday full of success stories. Si Joshi is also Sunday, so warm and embracing. So Miss Christine, Sunday every Sunday. So kaya tayong warm and embracing. Si Baby Thursday full of success stories. Correct. So lahat po kayo mga kaibigan. So this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This is for you. So what you can do is actually, Miss Christine, could please allow me to read the Sunday. This is really super you, ha? Talaga? As in, this is super you. Super? Yes. So Christine din yun. Ayan, that's right. Okay, the Sunday's child, mga kaibigan, is the day of the sun. You were born in the day of the sun, that you got it. It is said that those who are born on this glorious day possess the gift of a personality to bright, that he has the potential to become known throughout the world. Wow. Ayan. May pangarap kaya ako mag-Hollywood. Okay, this also actually indicates that you have the power to rise to success and be seen all over the world. Diba?
Anong sukol?
Yes, linggo na po. So,
inspection na talaga yung kakana.
Thank you for all the support na binigay sa
Po! Oy, ito yung pupo.
Wow, okay.
Yan pa ate yung hapsa.
Ang dami nating natutunan today.
Masyado na ka kasi anxious.
Ali, yung wala na itang buto.
Sobrang me.
At huhulihin ako ng MMDA for listening.
Yan. Sige, kaya may brabulan may papunta kay Evelyn. Ayan, kamuana. Manisig kang sampalo. Akmol no rembutol. Magkasakit yan.